What is our sun? How was it formed? And how will it die? For all this, stay tuned and keep watching Jalastra. Sun is a giant ball of gas and plasma. The Sun is by far the largest object in the solar system. It contains more than 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. It is often said that the Sun is an ordinary star. That's true, in the sense that there are many others similar to it, but there are many other smaller stars to it than the larger ones. The Sun is at present about 70% hydrogen and 28% helium by mass. Everything else, metals, amounts to less than 2%. This changes slowly over time as the Sun converts hydrogen to helium in its core. Sun is an extremely massive star with a diameter of about 139,000 km and mass about 1989 × 30 kg and temperature about 5800 Kelvin at surface and 156,000 Kelvin at core. Sun's power, about 386 billion megawatts, is produced by nuclear fission reaction, which converts hydrogen to helium and energy. As gamma rays that travel outward the surface, the energy is continuously reabsorbed and emitted at lower and lower temperatures so that by the time it reaches the surface, it is primarily visible light. For the last 20% of the way, the surface energy is carried more by convection than by radiation. What are sunspots? The surface of the Sun is called the photosphere. It is a temperature of about 5800 Kelvin and sunspots are cool regions of only 3800 K. They look dark only by comparison with the surrounding regions. Sunspots can be very large, as much as 50,000 km in diameter. A small region known as the chromosphere lies above the photosphere. The highly rarefied region above the chromosphere, called the corona, extends millions of kilometers into the space, but it is visible only during a total solar eclipse. What is solar wind and solar flares? In addition to heat and light, the Sun also emits a low-density stream of charged particles, mostly electrons and protons, known as the solar wind, which propagates throughout the solar system at about 450 km per second. The flare is defined as a sudden, rapid and intense variation in the brightness of the Sun. A solar flare occurs when a magnetic energy that has built up in the solar atmosphere is suddenly released. Radiation is emitted across virtually the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves at the lower wavelength and through the optical emission to X-rays. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.